Hey friends, it's Awilda here. Thank you so much for joining me. So today's video is going to be a plan with me. Before I get started, I just wanted to share with you very quickly some of the updates I've done to my planner. I do apologize in advance for having a voice recording. I don't know what happened, but I was trying to test out a microphone so I can talk to you. And as you can see in the bottom left corner is a lapel mic, and I had it hooked up to my camera, and for some reason the audio did not pick up. And although I tested it before I filmed the video and everything worked out fine, I don't know what happened that when I started to film, it wasn't no longer working. But that being said, the video is still of good quality, so I want to share with you guys my plan with me for the week. In it here, you can see that I have a section, the tab section. This is where I am housing all of my video ideas and blog ideas for my channel. Instead of having a notebook, I thought, let me just try out. I've already had these written out in my previous planner. It's the planner that had to do with, I believe it was 2019-2020 planner for the school year, and it was the teacher's planner. I took the inserts from there and kept them, but unfortunately I didn't use them, or fortunately now, because now I'm able to use them for this planner here. So what I'm doing is, as I come up with ideas on videos for the future, I'm just going to be writing them down, and then hopefully in the near future I can record and film and share with you guys some ideas that I've had in the works for some time. For this month of May, I wasn't able to film a monthly spread. I do have some ideas written down already, but I wasn't able to film it, and I didn't transfer it to my planner as of yet. So instead of delaying and waiting for me to share that information with you, I'm just going to jump right into this week's plan with me for the month of, or rather for the week of May 2nd through May 9th. As we know, here in the United States, it is Mother's Day weekend. Also, it just so happens to be my husband's birthday weekend, so we're going to be doing some celebrating and having a good old time over the weekend. And I just want to share a quick little planner spread with you that has some sort of like Mother's Day theme to it, or at least a colorful theme to it. Like I already mentioned earlier in the video, I did lose the audio for this, which is a total bummer because I was very chatty and kind of communicating some pretty awesome stuff, if I do say so myself. But unfortunately I lost that audio, so instead of re-recording myself talking, I'm just going to stop talking right here and just let you enjoy the music while I just plan the week.
We've been here before. A long story short, you walked out the door. Gotta get over myself. The drinks, they don't help. I've got to at least try. We're spinning out of control, and I've just got to know, if I follow, will it turn the ship around? If I let go, will it leave me here to drown? Gotta get over myself, this can't be farewell. I've got to at least try. If I follow, will you turn the ship around as I'm slowly sinking down? Just another night
spinning on my shoulders. I feel a burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling way down. All delusional. Got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming. Got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday.
I did want to jump in here really quickly and just for this part here mention how my wonderful husband got this planner sticker book for me. It's the Disney Princess one. I'm trying to collect the other two, so I'm having a little bit of a hard time getting them. They were constantly sold out in my local area and they're not available online with the exception of Amazon, but Amazon's a bit pricey. At the time here at Michael's and Joann's, this sticker book would have been $17 on sale, and I did manage to get the sticker book for $19 on Amazon, but they did raise their prices to $25. It's $24.99, and that's a bit too steep. Even the $19, to be honest, I was too happy about, but it was a gift from my husband. I thought it was very, very sweet, and I wasn't going to turn down a sticker book. I just thought it was pretty awesome. So I'm just going to do a quick little flip through. I'm sure you've seen other people share this, but yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys a quick little flip through of the sticker book and then finish up the video. So enjoy the flip through.
'Cause you got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying, yeah. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling way down. All delusional. Got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming. Got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, definitely hit the subscribe button and also click on that notification bell so you'll know when I post a new video. Until next time, guys, I hope you all stay safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
All delusional.